my thin hair doesn't really get that much volume. That's probably number one thing. If I would have layers, I would be able to achieve more of a blowout look. Hi everyone, I'm so excited to make this video. I recently bought this hairbrush. It's technically multi-styler heated brush. So this is a round brush that is not a blow dryer. You can kind of compare it to a curling iron. This is like a mix between a curling iron and like a multi-styler blow drying brush. Like, you know, kind of similar like Revlon because it looks like that, but it's not a blow dryer. And with this tool, I should be able to straighten my hair and also like give kind of like a blowout look. It should give me a lot more volume compared to just using, you know, a straightening iron. I bought this because I saw a TikTok about a mica brush that is kind of similar, but it's a lot more expensive. It's also smaller than this, but it's always sold out. And this is not only cheaper, but also bigger, which I feel like it's gonna shorten the styling time, which is important to me. And it was available on Amazon for like 40 bucks. So I was like, let's just test it out. Why not? So let's get into it, okay? I'm unboxing it for the first time. And by the way, this is my natural hair currently. This is what it looks like. I didn't blow dry it. It's naturally air dried. So yeah, we're gonna try to style it a little bit. This is what it looks like here. And the other thing which kind of made me consider it more seriously was the fact that you can use it pretty much anywhere. With the Dyson Airwrap, damn, I can't open it. Okay, oh I know. With the Dyson Airwrap, you can use it in Europe. And because I traveled to Europe quite a lot recently, I needed something that I would be able to take with me to Europe. So we will see if this is gonna be like, you know, kind of like an alternative. Obviously not really, but if this is gonna give me nicely styled hair, so why not? What a weird packaging. Okay, so you get obviously your round brush in the box, as well as a little, I guess it's like a heating, wait, what does it say? Do not touch hot barrel with gloves. So it's not fully like heat protection glove. I have few ones that are like really good, but I guess this is just a glove, kind of whatever. Anyhow, okay, so it's off and let's turn it on. Oh wait, okay, so let's turn it on and it's currently at 330. Okay, oh, you can actually lower the temperature, but let's do 330. Let's see how well it's gonna work. So this has to heat up. We'll see how long it's gonna take. I'll let you know. And it has the ion technology, which is nice, so it should help with the frizz. My hair is naturally curly, and I've been doing keratin treatments for a while now, so as you can see, the ends are a lot more straight on this part because of the amount of treatments that I did. And I always do it at home because I get much better results than at the salon, and not to mention it's much cheaper. So if you're interested, I'm gonna link all the videos about the whole treatment. It's very easy, and I'm using formaldehyde free keratin, so it's not an unpleasant treatment like, you know, at the salon where it all stinks and stuff. None of that I have to deal at home, so it's nice. But yeah, I sectioned my hair. It's all heated up. Honestly, it was pretty quick. It's not the lightest tool, but you know, it's kind of right. So let's see, basically, if I'm gonna be able to make a, you know, like a, oh, it smells like plastic a little bit, I guess because it's, you know, being used for the first time. So heads up, the smell is not, you know, the greatest. So open your windows. Okay, let's see. First time, okay. You want to basically, you know, keep it for a little bit you want to use it kind of like a straightening iron and a round brush, so you technically should keep it for a little bit to heat up the hair, straighten it up. Let's see. It's definitely smoothing it out. Let's see if I can curl it a little bit more, because so far it's not actually giving me what I'm looking for. Not really. Not pulling my hair as much as I thought it would. It is, okay, I see a little curl, like a very, very tiny one. I'm gonna try with the smaller section, but I feel like I already got a hang of it. The first few tries, I was like, wait a minute. Honestly, I barely even touch my hair with it. Like, I'm not holding my hair on this brush. I literally just do pass, done. And considering that, this looks pretty good. Okay, let's do this side. Okay, I mean, okay, so this is it. That was very quick actually, because like I literally did one quick pass on each hair section. Because all of that, I mean, it's definitely a lot more volume than if I would just use a hair straightening, and the ends are a little bit curled, not super curled. I was expecting a little more. I think the brush is just too big. Smaller size brush I think will be better. They do have a version that's literally like much thinner than this. This is more like the Revlon round brush, but so I'm curious to test it out. I feel like I would get probably even more volume, but like, you know, curtain treatment is definitely helping to smooth this out, because literally just a little bit of heat and my hair is super straight. So yeah, it's not a revolutionary tool. Like, I'm not super impressed. I think I would be more happy with the one that has a smaller brush head, but I still got a nice little wave. So let me know, what do you think? I think this still will give better results to people with more thick hair, because as you can see, like my thin hair, I feel like it doesn't really get that much volume compared to if, you know, the hair would be thicker, because it is very smoothing, and with thin hair you still need a little bit of frizz to stay there to just add extra volume. So I'm not getting a lot of volume, you know, compared to if I would have thick hair. So if you have thin hair like me, you may not be fully satisfied with this tool. Like, it's a little better than, you know, regular straightening iron, but like the difference, just like the ends are a little bit like, you know, angled. Like, I wouldn't even call it a curl. So honestly, I would give this tool like maybe 5 out of 10. Like, it is smoothing, it's definitely, you know, looks a lot more polished, but I'm not getting this like blowout look, you know, like you would get at the salon. Like, that's not fully it. Like, this is just not it. It should be more curled, I think. The fact that I'm cutting my hair straight, like I don't have any layers, it's not helping. I think people who have layers in their hair would have even better results. And I think that that's probably number one thing. If I would have layers, I would be able to achieve more of a blowout look than just with my ends curled at the end here, because I would have more layers. And technically, yeah, I feel like it would give me a lot more volume. But yeah, so let me know if you like this video, and if you have any questions, don't forget to check out all the links in the description box, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.